I don't know how tight to tighten these belts. Um, so if you guys can help me out on this, I don't know if that's too tight or too loose or anything. Okay. Okay. Here, let me turn on the mic. This right here, I don't know if that is too loose or too tight. I don't really know how to change the front. Um, and the rear, I think it feels alright. It's not like super tight, but it's not like super loose. So if you guys know, just let me know. That would be helpful. Alright, thanks guys. Okay, so here's a problem I'm coming into. I cannot read Japanese. This is the manual. So when I'm doing the shocks here, I got the shocks filled up with oil. I'm trying to figure out the springs. We got 2 black ones and 2 blue ones. And I tried finding online. They said blue for the rear, pink for the front or something, and I can't figure it out. But anyway, I found the O-rings for inside the shocks right here, and it has in parentheses right here. The same right here for the springs, the same, and it has the black O-rings right here, this and this. So if I go over here, this shows blue, because the black is on the outside here for the shock, on the outside of the shock, and I looked at pictures and that shows black. So I know for a fact this one is blue, and it shows the blue going in here. Makes sense. So with that being said, let's see here. So when you put the shocks on, if you read this down here, this black again, and this blue, and this is the front. So the blue in the front with the 450 oil, and let's double check this. So we have the black here and black here. So yeah, black for the rear, blue for the front. 450 oil, blue, 350 oil, black. Okay, so I'm gonna do that, get it all situated, and I'll be back. Okay, thanks.